Alright, we're going to try an unboxing video here, something I've never done before, but we'll see how it goes. What I've received here is something pretty rare. This is a Laserdisc of Super Spacefortress Macross. For those of you who know, Super Dimension Fortress Macross being the animated series. This is the feature film. What's interesting and unique about this feature film is this is the only release in Laserdisc format that features the English language track that was done by Toho. So it is a rare piece of animation history. Toho did a dub using Hong Kong actors to try and internationally market the film, so they retitled it Super Spacefortress Macross, had it dubbed into English, and wanted to release it internationally. So this is one of the very few pieces of material, marketing, product that has it in English language, which I think is pretty damn cool. So we're going to go ahead and open it up here, see what we got. It's a simple sleeve, Laserdisc sleeve. In it, of course, we have the disc itself. It says Super Spacefortress Macross right on it. Side 1, side 2. Crazy there. And what's extra cool here is we have this insert. The insert, it looks like just a Xerox copy on a semi-gloss paper, probably about a 60-pound paper, and it's a copy of the cover art with English titles, Super Spacefortress Macross. And the back, I don't read Japanese, but the looks of it, description about the film. Now, what's interesting and worth noting is that for all the markets that they tried to do Super Spacefortress Macross, they used this key art of the SDF-1 Macross and a Valkyrie, but the SDF-1 Macross is the television version of the ship, not the film, not the version that is shown in the film. So it's just a fun little bit of nerd out information for you. A lot of the key art did that. There you go. There's the Daedalus and the Prometheus, a VF-1 Valkyrie, and this is the television version of the SDF-1 Macross. So there you go, Super Spacefortress Macross on Laserdisc. A rare find for sure, and one that is absolutely beautiful.